Hi there, Preston Sandlin with Home Inspection Carolina, and today I'm answering emails. I own Home Inspection Carolina. I'm a Carolina Panthers fan. Right now they're 5-2, which is good, but I don't know, when you watch this, they could be a lot worse. Who knows? They could win any game and they can lose any game. It depends on which team shows up. But I'm a fan. Anyway, answering questions. I have two websites, Home Inspection Carolina and Ask the Charlotte Inspector, and I get questions in on Ask the Charlotte Inspector. And the one today that I got was about old electrical panel. Can an old electrical box or electrical panel be okay, even though it's not up to today's code? Yes and no. See, the thing is, on older houses and older panels, they weren't built to handle the amount of appliances that we have today. I mean, like, if you look at a house built in 1950, 1930, you go back 1920s or before, you got knob and tube wiring. I mean, no way, no how were they built to handle, garbage disposal, stereos, computers, dishwasher, dryer. They just didn't have those appliances. So that's what happens. Some of the older ones have just like a 60 amp if it's just completely round, and then if it's square, it's probably going to be a 100 amp, 125 amp, and then you go to a 200 amp, which would be it's going to be more of a rectangle shape, which is probably going to be more modern today. To answer your question, I mean, if you don't have a whole lot of appliances or pulling on it, yeah, it would be fine. I know my first house was built in 1957, I think. Loved that house. Hardwood floors, still had the original box. It was 100 amp. And, I'd have the toaster, the microwave going, and you could just hear that thing humming, because the breaker wanted to flip. It just wasn't equipped to handle it. Thank goodness the breakers worked, because that's their job, is to flip, so that you're not drawing too much power and you burn your house down. If it starts drawing too much, it'll flip. So, yeah, typically with modern appliances, if you have all the appliances and electronics of today, you probably want a 200 amp breaker. Maybe 150, smaller house or condo. So that would be my answer. If you have any questions, please send them in to Ask the Charlotte Inspector or HomeinspectionCarolina.com. Thanks.